good humans. I'm out too smooth, the mountain biker, and this is BB's Adventures. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next adventure.
All right, dude. Just gonna mess around in the kitchen today. Nothing fancy schmancy.
No, nothing today, guys.
All right. Alrighty, we begin her white rice and her beans. Beans or not. And she's getting the pan so we can get that country chicken. Country. What's it called again?
Oh my gosh.
What's it called again?
It's called the Cowboy Steak.
The Cowboy Ribeye.
Yes.
Yeah! That you can get at Longhorn, but we're going to get it from Publix Horn. If BB can get it open. Wow.
Look at there, guys.
Look at that. That's my last big steak until
after
the new year.
January.
Because I got to stop eating that because of my gallbladder. This is a celebration.
Woohoo, we're almost to the
Hey,
finish
well
line.
done. I don't want my shit talking to me.
I know how to cook your steak. I like mine saying just a little bit of moo.
Okay, well. You're ready.
There's your beans.
Yeah, we're showing them that.
Tastes good too. I've already taken a bite.
Oh, you cooked it already?
Yeah.
It's warm?
Yeah.
Oh, you just didn't cook the rice?
No.
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
I put fresh onions and
all right.
cilantro and
Gotcha.
so just like I did the last time.
Alrighty, let me know when the oven's on.
The oven.
I mean, the stove. I'm losing it.
Man,
I see
I
that
thought I was
steak.
bad today.
God damn. Woo!
I don't know about you,
Woo.
cameraman. You're really losing it today. I know it's been a rough day, but come on, you still got to stay with me, okay?
I hear you.
Oh yes. And with this one, I can only cook one steak at a time.
That's okay. Cook yours first. Woo! Is that yours?
Yep.
You didn't turn that around, did you?
No.
I love that fat on there, boy. Get that sucker caramelly. Woo!
And all your garlic and fresh pepper and...
And next time, throw the bone in the backyard
Why?
for the cat.
Oh, okay. We're going to feed the stray cat.
Yeah. Damn, that smells good. What seasoning you put on there?
That's the Montreal steak.
That's it?
That's it. The red wine vinegar, baby.
Montreal steak
Mm-hmm.
and your red wine vinegar?
That's it.
That smells good. You cooking the rice?
Yep.
All right.
This way, by the time that the second one's halfway done, the rice is done, and then it can set, and
Sweet.
I got this down.
All right, let me know when you're ready to flip it over.
All right.
That's how you eat yours?
It's got to get cooked another time.
Oh, okay. Smells good. The rice is foaming. Okay. We're getting there.
Slowly but surely.
Are you putting some olive oil? Just very light, huh?
All right, guys. So there is my steak. I'm going to get ready to take it out. So bear with me in just a moment here. All right. Taking my big old steak out. That's what she looks like. Alright, now BB is going to come over here. Well, hold that thought a minute. Let's get this up out of the way. Here we go. Alright, now to put cameramans in there. There she goes. Alright, there's cameraman steak. About 3 more minutes and it's good enough to eat. Alright. Cameraman is done. There she be. Alright, I'll make up the plate and show you what it looks like. Alright, there she is, everybody. Cameraman's quote-unquote last meal until after he gets his surgery done. He got himself a true cowboy's dinner tonight. Steak, rice, and beans. So until our next time, as I always say, bon appetit. See ya.
BB, why is it so smoky in this house?
Really, man.
Hell yeah! Dump that A1. You thought this video was over. Dump it, baby. You thought I loved ketchup?
Oh, y'all have no idea.
Hey, that's cooked raw.
Yeah, it's not raw. There you go.
Now,